Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mute and unmute someone's story on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on Stories. And here you can find all your stories. You simply need to hold any story for a while and click on Hide Story. So this is a process by which you can mute story. Let me mute another story. So how you can unmute, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of story. Click on that option, and here you can see the option stories you have muted. Click on that option, and here you can find all your muted story. You simply need to click on unmute and click on show, click on unmute and click on show. So this is the process by which you can mute unmute stories on Facebook Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.